Today I'm building a greenhouse, a little PVC greenhouse. And I'm kind of building it in my head as I go. I don't have a distinct plan. I have an idea of what I'm doing. So here I've laid it out. It's gonna be 12 foot wide, 30 foot long, and it's here in one of my old strawberry patches. I've got a cover crop growing here. And so what I've got is I've got some 1.5 inch PVC pipe. This stuff here is, I bought it for another project. I wound up not using it. So this has saved a lot of money having this. But these are 10-foot sections. I'm gonna come up 2 foot and gable it over kind of like a house. Anyways, you'll see it as we come together with it. right, guys, well, here's my greenhouse so far. Yesterday I got all of my boards on the side, I got all of my plastic, or all of the PVC up. I got this door frame built over here, and I got these little cross members across right up here. And then today I went and got these little 1x4s right here to add some support from the side to sideness, and it's doing pretty good. So today I came back and I built these doors. I have no idea why, but the other side is a lot prettier. I made the way that I made my bottoms down here, they actually sit on top of the board. I'll show you over there. So, and that's the side nobody will see. I don't know why I put more time and effort into that. Also, I'm gonna move these, I believe, down into the inside of here. I did that on the other side. It looks a lot better. So once again, I put more effort into this one. I don't know why. I guess it's time. I just decided to do more on this side. But here's this door. I put those on the inside. This is flush with the bottom. I mean, this is how you're supposed to build stuff. Kind of. I mean, I am nowhere near a carpenter. I'm just a farmer who can screw some boards together and go from there. So we're about to stretch all of our plastic on here. Here comes Addie. She's coming up here to help me, so it'll be fun. Got some greenhouse plastic from my grandpa, and yep, I'll let y'all watch us fold that over. Good morning, guys. We're going on day 3 of the greenhouse build here. We've got our plastic up, we've got our doors built. Today, about the last thing that we have to do, last few things, is I've got to cover the door with plastic, put our little hinge locker on there, and then secure our plastic down here on the edges. I'm gonna wrap them up in some wood, I believe, let them set, and that way they can I can fold these guys up. I can fold that up in the summertime to get some breeze through there, along with opening up my doors. So that's the main thing we're about to work on next, is our door, and then we've got a big old mess to clean up. All right, well, that's definitely not the prettiest door that I've ever seen, but I am sure proud of this thing. I've got it all wrapped up here. I'm sure I've done plenty of things wrong, not the right way, but I've got a greenhouse and it's fully closed in. I'm gonna do the bottoms next now. All I did was just a bunch of staples on everything here. I don't know if they'll hold up. I don't know if I have to change that, but right now, and I've just got this little latch, puts it on there, and we're good to go. Man, I'm excited. I'm really excited about this little greenhouse. I have no idea what I'm gonna put in it yet, but hopefully a lot of things. Okay, so we finished the greenhouse totally. Thanks for watching. This is kind of our setup here. It wound up being, I said at first it was going to be 30 feet long, 12 feet wide. It wound up being 16 foot wide, 24 foot long. That's just the way that the boards lined up that I bought there. And so, like I said, I just kind of built it all as I was going. I didn't have a plan. I had a picture in my head of what I wanted it to look like, nothing specific. So that's it for this video. Thank y'all for watching. Please like and subscribe. Let us know what else that we can put out there that y'all would like to see. This is it. Hopefully soon we're gonna have some videos. I'm gonna plant some kale in here. We're going to a nursery this morning. We might get us some seeds, might get us a few things. So that's it for today, guys. Thank you for following along on our journey. See you later.